Welcome to Chiangmai Doi Tanon National Park waterfall. Watch your town waterfall again and again this morning. Awesome place. Really beautiful.
Coffee shell. After that, the seeds we steep in the water for 3 days. Wash until clean. After clean, sun dry. In this area, we spend the time to dry coffee. Chuman dry. After chuman dry, crack the second shell. You will see the green bean inside. After that, we put in the drum, the roasting machine, so that when we roast the coffee, we spend the time to roast 10 until 16 minutes and have 3 left. 10-minute roast we call light roast. Light roast, the taste is fruity, juicy, easy to drink. 12-minute roast we call medium roast, the taste more sweet, less acidity, less sour. 14-minute roast we call dark roast. Strong, good smell, no acidity. So this is how to make the coffee here. The tribe people here, we very happy when you come to visit the village because here we work together. Someone to be the local guide, walk with the tourists up the mountain. Someone make some souvenir like in the basket. That's aroma candle from soybean. And you can open and smell different color, different scent. Tea and coffee grow here.
Koh Tao, really beautiful.
Yeah, we are seeing like all the 3 islands there.
Koh Phangan. I like Koh Tao, Koh Phangan. I like beach.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful.
Yesterday we went to see an elephant sanctuary.
Oh, good for you.
And we also did bamboo rafting.
Uh-huh.
Ouais, mais parce qu'il y a un truc là. J'ai pas osé le mettre là-dessus.
Don't breathing. Easy way. Oh.
J'ai rien demandé hein, parce que je suis pas sûre que ça se réalise. Après, il reste la nuit non plus.
Il y a des pièces qui sont carrées, regarde.
Non.
No diamond ring.
No diamond ring.
Toi non plus, j'aurais pu.
Yeah.
Et lui, il veut la
What you ask from your wife tonight?
Lot of things.
A lot of things.
여기 사람들 많이 몰려 좀 찍으려고 하는 사람들이 많으니까
Welcome to my
딱
world.
들어오시면 됩니다.
Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Welcome to my world. Beautiful again, big pagoda on the top of mountain, Chiangmai, Thailand.ด้วยดวงใจแห่งรักอยากรักใครสักคนSilent silent night เราต้องจากกันด้วยสิ่งใด
พร้อมค่ะ
Hello, welcome to Kewmaepan trekking trail in Thailand นกยูงคำจะมีสีดำและสีขาว ใกล้มากประมาณ2 เมตรครึ่ง ไม่กลัวผู้คนเลย so cute so beautiful big bird they have white color and black color
Hey, bueno.
So it's over there. That is แม่แจ่ม City. แม่แจ่มอำเภอแม่แจ่ม Kewmaepan. This area we call Kewmaepan. The top of the mountain in Chiangmai, Thailand. So beautiful in the backside. If you turn back. เงี้ยมผาน้อยสวยมากlook like rain coming. It's rhododendron also, this one. Rhododendron. Mae Cham City over there. Mae Cham district. I've been there 2 times in my life. Stay some resort. Really beautiful. อำเภอแม่แจ่มเห็นหลังคาบ้านอื่นไหม